Why is it super crocodile? You see why it's super crocodile?
Oh my goodness. Oh. Ba't Philippines pag lolong?
Lolong's guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Crocodile Farm sa Miri. Sama natin ang buong cast ng Samson family. Sama natin ang buong cast ng Samson family. So holiday ngayon, first day of Hari Raya sa Brunei. So dito tayo dyan. Nakita nyo, crocodile. Yan, si Crocodile, mukha ni Kyle. Ngayon, samahan nyo kami at nakikita natin kung ano yung mga nasa loob ng Crocodile Farm here in Miri. Let's go. So here's Kat. Hi Kat.
Hello.
And this is Kit. Take it out. Kyle again. Hindi pa siya bukas. So 9 o'clock pa yung bukas niya. Meron pa tayong 5 minutes to wait. So yun.
What are they feeding? Is that chicken? They forgot to peel it off.
205 rin. Ayun, 205 na. Napaya dulu.
Crocodile.
And I get a feed. And I get to feed that.
Eat it.
Yeah, I'll just mash it into pieces.
Go ahead. Crocodile.
No, Mr. Chicken died. Mr.
Okay. Để cái tao sẽ lại.
Ooh, crocodile bone.
I think that's why they can cook. I guess.
Yan no, crocodile ano. Skin. That's a real crocodile skin.
This is a real skin.
Ha?
That's the real crocodile. Crocodile? Are these real crocodile?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Sultan's birthday.
Think so.
Puso.
Boleh ba ya? Okay. So ba to? 59 RN.
Is it? This one? No.
Guys, look at that.
Wow, sexy.
Kyle, you want to take picture? Sit down.
Crocodile, this is meant for us. What?
Oh, maganda tayo na una kasi wala masyadong tao. Buhaya agad. Ay, buhaya.
Why? I don't want to.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Diba? Maganda.
Mama, bird. Get bird.
Ayan ang mga ano, pigeon. No, this is different
No,
from
there's one more.
from Brunei.
I think they went.
That's why. What?
Ito yung albino.
Hindi hindi yan albino. It was so big. Ayan.
I think you're just snapping the.
Oh my.
Akala ko pa kaya mo hawakan.
I can't see. Whoa, that's real. Where's the snapping turtle?
Hindi nga ngayon tumalon yun.
Ayun na, ito ata yung albino, no?
Oo, kasi nandito yun. Why not moving? Ay, ayun yun.
Oh my gosh. They're moving. Hey, look, nag-away.
Ay, dami.
Sarap nga, may alaga ka mga 10 ganyan sa bahay, ano, alaga natin.
It will eat me.
I would love it.
Wala lang tour guide.
I would love it and
I
hate it
just
at the
kinda wanna
same
go
time. Papa,
This
I
one.
would love it and hate it at the same time.
Ay, ito yung albino.
Oh, Mama, I bet there's something there.
Yes, hindi yan tayo umakyat dito, di ba?
Hindi. Pero kanin lang tumalon. Yun, ang dami oh, dito.
I can't see.
Yun oh, dami nila.
Hindi naman makita ni Kylie. Kailangan kang guide.
Wait,
Kawawa naman.
Bakit?
it looks like his arm is broken.
No.
Ah, hindi.
Kawawa. Kawawa sila pag nasa ano, no, naka-captivate.
Kulong.
Nasa, oh, wow.
Hindi nila ma-enjoy yung life.
Dapat nasa like at least sa labas na at least that we can see.
See, they're crying already.
I hope they're not catching them because it looks like they're catching them. Let them at least enjoy their life.
Enjoying the life. Oh, so cute.
It's like a hammock
Yeah.
for them. Such a baby.
Brown.
Parang naiinitan sila.
Siyempre, tayo nga naimitan eh.
I mean like, because they're breathing so much.
Ah,
Aduy.
Wala, kinakagat ka ng lamok.
they're more alligator.
Oh, that one's open.
Oh my goodness, open your mouth.
It wants to eat.
Yeah, hungry na yan kasi kung 11 feeding ka.
It's the eye.
Ay, tumitingin. Hi! Parang meron ka. Kasi it's like,
Oh no, Mama, I guess I'm so I'm so scared.
Why?
We're walking alone.
It's a deer.
di ba may
It's a
deer?
deer!
Oh dear. It's a deer.
Mawalan ko ba kasi crocodile yan?
Hi dear.
Oh my gosh.
How are you dear? Mainit kasi. Dito kayo, mainit dyan.
I feel like I'm in America.
Wala, akala nila may
Ayan, may lumalapit oh. Sino? Come. Saan ka na? Come. Sige rito.
Hi, dear.
Hi dear. How are you
Ate
dear? Oh, diba? Up close. Bigyan mo ganyan oh.
Hi, dear. Aba, dear. No,
Wala
Papa,
tayong
Papa,
food eh.
Papa, Papa, no, no, no,
Why?
no, 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 no. I'm scared of your hand.
Why? Mabaitan deer. Oh.
Oh, right.
But I don't... Ow!
See.
Kinagat ako.
Ah, the deer's too close.
for feeding.
Gusto niya balik tayo ron? Tapos punta tayo doon?
Meron,
Ah? 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 Ayun, ang daming crocodile dito. It's nice.
Whoa, Sakura. Oh, there's more. Whoa, I can reach.
Oh, look at that.
bakit siya nandiyan? Kasi, yung bird.
What the fuck?
can see. Oh, that's.
You laughing? You happy? You happy? Ay, ang cute.
Mama, mochi mochi.
Hi! So cute.
Ay, ito naman ang fruits ang pagkain. Ay, ang ganda ng color.
Pero,
Nagulat ako dun sa ano.
hi! Ay, tinan mo naman malapit.
No, it's not real.
Ha? You want to? Ah, ₱5. You want to hold? Oh, go, go, go. Ito apa nih?
Owl.
Bukan. Ayo. Burung pipit. Nah, angkat mas.
Ayah sakit.
Slow. Diam sini mas. Nah, jangan bawa lari. Nah, jalan hati-hati. Ikut dia terus bangun.
How about ikaw?
Oh, I have this one you sharp.
Cantik dia.
Cantik.
I think
Cantik macam yang pegang ya. Cantik dia.
Ani masih muda?
Oh.
Oh.
Oke.
How about you?
Macam yang pegang ya cantik ya.
Oy. Oy.
Is this all?
You want to hold? The one? Hold.
Aray.
Yan mo yung ticket natin.
Ah, kumikindat yung isang heiser. Mini. Ito kaya,
So, kamusta ka na? How are you doing here? Huh? How are you? Oh, you like to put a show.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, you're so cute. Ang ganda. Panday. Oh, Shay.
Yung ano niya, yung ito. Oh.
Happy?
Papa,
Oh.
Papa, you want to watch this? This is
What?
the cutest of all.
There's where? There's what?
Cutest of all.
Oh my, so cute. Ang dami nilang hamster.
That's not hamster.
What
That's
is
guinea pig.
That is guinea pig.
Then there's rabbit over there.
Oh, I know. But siya yung rabbit eh. Ayaw pa nila
Where's the
lumabas.
chicken? Ah, there's a chicken there.
Oo nga, no?
Hello.
How about... Oh, naman.
It's a kai-kai.
No, like this. Ow.
Kai-kai.
What? Sabi niya, what?
Say kai-kai.
Kai-kai.
Kathleen? Kit. Kit. Oh.
Ha? What?
How about me?
Wait.
What? Ang konti?
Sabi niya, what?
Sabi niya, what? What?
Ay, tawa siya. Uy, kawawa naman. Di napapansin. Mag-talk ka rin kasi.
Eh, ang talent niya nga daw mag-gawin eh.
Oh.
Papa, no, it will bite you.
No, ito.
Can you not try to bite?
Ay, galit?
Panday tsaka malayo. Panday tsaka malayo ka.
Oh.
Oo, Ah.
Wait, Will. Wait, Will.
Is it real goat? Is that a goat? Yeah, it's a goat.
Sabi niya,
Hi, real goat.
Look, Papa, no.
You can hold.
No,
Just be gentle. Don't hold him like...
no, because these guys can like push you 10 miles away.
I know, but they're inside the kulungan. Tingnan mo, oh. Ang sweet niya nga.
oo nga, oh.
Papa, there's an outside one.
Ang liit pa ng sungay niya.
Wait, dito lang muna
Oh,
tayo.
that's cute.
I
Ang
don't
cute.
need the outside one. It's too cute.
Hala, why this one came out?
Hi. Oh. So cute, so cute. Yeah, yeah, you can pet them. Yeah, you can pet them. Yeah.
Ayun na yung ahas. You want to touch
Iguana
the
yan,
ahas?
di naman
No, the one I saw. The other one.
Dito muna, ito muna. Oh. Hmm.
Oh, Jude. Ah, just the way, ah.
Be careful. Oh my goodness, that. Ah, laki oh.
They're too big to be fed. I wanna feed the goat.
Yeah, Mama want to see.
Mama, I wanna feed the goat. Come here, goat.
I wanna scare my friends. Ah, yun pala yung sinasabi.
Ay, binitawan na.
What outside?
I thought that was a snake.
No, why it's outside?
I think it's not, they didn't catch it.
Guys, may nakawala rito. May nakawala.
Diyan lang siya?
Papa, I'm not.
Oh my goodness, ang laki oh.
I think that. What is this?
This is
It's a python.
what did they feed?
Oh, look at that. Yun yung laki niya oh.
Ay, ang laki naman yan.
Ito yung nakawala, nakulong na.
Oh my god.
Hindi pala katakas din yun. Bakit dito meron na ako? No, I'm sure.
If it's not here, then that's okay, because there's some there. Oh.
Buhaya yan eh.
No, there's one there. Right at the end. Not the people ah.
Ay, galing nga tayo doon ata eh.
No, we haven't.
Oh, come, come.
There's a goose there. There's a goose.
Ikaw nga kaya.
Oh.
Bakit kaya sila nakanganga?
Like that. Yan.
Papa, there's a duck plus goose. Papa, there's a duck plus goose.
My goodness.
Mama here. Mama here. Ay, ang dami.
Mama, Mama,
Party sila.
Mama, duck plus goose.
Okay, wait lang.
Papa, you already took picture of that. I wanna show you
Ay, they look oh, they're ano, taking a bath.
the long necks are goose and
The goose!
that one's duck, Papa.
Ah,
That one's duck. This is goose. Papa, is that
Pato's dead.
Probably cook.
No.
Pero ang cute ng color niya.
Hmm.
So Japanese. You know that one.
So, come at me. Bro, you look like you don't have a bag.
You look like an egg.
No, I know. It looks like you want to fight.
Yeah.
Looks like that one policeman. You know, the pink duck one.
You're so small pero matapang ka. Don't, just go slowly para hindi siya lalayo. Yeah, just go slowly lang. This one is a bit old already.
I can tell.
Don't go.
Papa, there's no entry, so we can't go.
The face is so creepy.
Yeah. See how he flapped her, ano? What is this?
Yeah, there's a buff owl.
Buffy owl. Ooh,
Take a picture.
yeah, look at that.
That's a big owl. Whoa, the eyes are big. I want it.
Hi.
Hi, Kakar.
Oh, it looks like he
Are you doing fine?
You mad at me?
he looks like
Did something to you? Are you
Hi,
okay?
Corey.
probably is angry.
Meron kaming distribution dito. Contribution pala.
Recognition.
Di ba sa liit hindi makita? Ayun. Hi.
There we go.
Mm.
Yum, yum.
Ha! I command you. Come here.
Come here. I command you. Come here.
Huwag mong itap. Kawawa naman.
I'm gonna catch one.
Oh, turtle.
Turtle.
Here.
Snapping turtle. That's what I think.
Where'd you come from? That one looks like a unicorn.
Papa.
Pabo yan. Pabo tawag sa atin yan.
May escape.
Someone loose. Chicken. Loose chicken. Come.
You want pork?
Alam gusto mo? Kumakain. Kumakain ako ng manok.
Canola.
Oh, yung takbo siya. Ah!
Tinola or adobo?
Mama, why is there a seahorse even though this is a seahorse?
Of course, buhaya pa rin.
Boya? Why is there so much wire?
Here, here, here. Come,
The
come.
center of...
Come. Look at this, buhayas.
Mama, look, they're stacking up.
Wow. Ay, ang liliit.
You want one?
Bakit sila nagpapadong tapo?
Why is it super crocodile? Oh my god!
Good golly goodness.
You see why? You see why it's super crocodile?
Oh my goodness.
Oh. But Philippines have lolong.
Lolong's dead already.
Yeah, but he's the biggest.
How big ka sila?
Para siyang dinosaur, no?
Godzilla.
I don't think it's me. Wow, that's so big. This is big.
The biggest one. Papa, Papa, you want to give a banana? You buy there.
Where? This is big. Look at that.
Papa, lagla sibling. Oh, Papa, Papa, look up. Papa, look up. Papa, look up.
May nakawala. Uy! Wawa naman. Parang nanlilimos, no?
Alam, ang bilis niya kumain eh.
May nakawala nga ito. Uy!
Ala, hihilabo.
Is this outside?
Dari kawasan
Saan to? Ayun, no? Oh,
Wow.
uy, parang nga siyang ano, dinosaur. Oh.
Because
It is.
dinosaur.
Pero may feather na siya eh. So, it's
Meaning
very far from the dinosaur. Kasi yung mga dinosaur, reptile sila.
Hindi, ano. The birds are actually dinosaurs.
Is it?
I tell you where.
Is it far?
At the start.
Ah, ganun na mamaya paglabas natin. It's actually so.
Hi.
Mama, may kabayan.
Kabay.
I just wanna hug you. Please. Give me her chance.
Hi. Ah?
Bro, the thing.
Ah? Kiss.
I put you on the loose lure, bro.
Hindi, malapit na. Hi.
Ang laki din. Ang laki din.
Mm.
Kalabaw ba?
Ah?
Baka?
Oh, hindi, baka yan.
That's a bull, right?
This one is not a bull.
Ang laki. So big.
Baka lang.
Just around like 300 below at least.
Hi.
1,000.
You.
Close and personal. Doon yung pinakamalapit. You want to see? Car, are you...
Mama, you like every night.
What's the most saddest animal you have seen?
That's one long finger, bro.
The bear is
They don't attack.
The branching bear. You become an eel.
No.
That's so small. Oh, that's looking at it. Oh no, that's like going to it.
What's wrong?
Oh, this one's cobra.
You want the mug with you? Really? Yes, nata kami yung crocodile.
Hi.
Join them?
That's not. Why does it smell like that?
May gutom pa yan.
Don't worry.
Yeah, I hide my hand. But how about the feet? Okay.
Oh, baby.
Oh, the mouth with you. Oh my God. Give me.
You kiss me. You kiss me.
You should go there, Carlos. What's the feeling of hugging a scaly? Huh? Scaly?
Yeah, like bump.
Here, Kyle. Don't sit on the ano, ah. You go there.
I don't want to sit.
Baby, the clown hit my face. Huh? Nice, ba?
Okay, 1, 2, and... Okay. You're so
Baby, ah.
Yun yung nanay, oh. Yun yung nanay. Sabi ko, yun yung nanay. Ano? Ayun, ayun, ayun.
It's okay, better move.
Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo na.
Traumatized. I'm so traumatized. What is that? Is that the egg?
No, not egg. Okay na? Okay na yan?
Nilay pa ka?
I can feel it breathing.
Wala, yan na.
When it moves a lot, that's when you take.
So, how is it?
Heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah, once again.
Okay,
Sabi
go
niya,
na.
ayaw naman akong kargayin nito mga to.
Is it enough? Okay, okay.
Don't fall. It's okay.
Yeah?
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh. Oh.
The mouth is want to go out.
Ay, nagano siya.
Ah!
Air cover dia, dia keluar.
Apa to?
Air cover dia.
Niwi. Wala ka naman, di ba?
Kuya. Heavy?
Dua kali juga.
Where's the two girls? I want to see that two girls again. Here they go. They go. How's the experience?
It's scary because you never know it's gonna open up. But it's very
Imagine if it touched the screen.
Maybe camera shy.
Are you camera shy? Can I hold you?
He's camera shy.
No, no. Yee! Yee!
The snakes are so fragile. Because their body is so soft. Oh, back again I see. Let's communicate with snake language.
If you communicate with him, it means you're slithering.
He's looking at the wall.
Can see.
Beep, 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 beep. Mama, look, cobra.
Cobra.
Yeah.
Walang butas yan?
Wala.
Oh, Jalo.
This one's small, but I think there's a lot.